Then students, again here we can understand the transfer of heat. That means we know that heat transfer from one medium to from one object to other object. Then in three ways heat can be transferred. So heat always flow from a body at higher temperature to the lower temperature. We already know that body, that means heat transfer from higher temperature to lower temperature of a body. So in which method that heat can be transferred? There are three methods. First one is conduction method, second one is convection method, and third one is radiation method. We'll see one by one what is the difference between these all these methods. So first we'll see the conduction method. Conduction method, the heat will transfer when the body is in contact with the hotter object or hotter body. Okay, so for the conductions, that means contact of the body is required. So what is, first of all we have to know the conduction. So transfer of a heat from a hotter part to the colder part is known as conduction. That means from the hotter part to the colder part, the transfer of heat from the hotter part to the colder part is known as conduction. So necessary, what is the necessary condition for the conduction? Objects should be direct contact. Objects should be direct contact. Temperature of two bodies should be different. That means one body should be hot, one body should be cold. So these are the conductions. Then we'll see after that we'll see here the insulators and the conductors. What are insulators? In materials which do not allow heat to pass through them. Materials which do not allow heat to pass through them is known as what? Insulator. And the conductors, that means conductors are what? That means materials which allow heat to pass through them. That means heat can be passed through the conductors, but it cannot pass through the insulator. After that we'll see the second method of transferring heat is what? Second method of transferring heat is convection method. So convection is what? The transfer of heat due to the molecules of the medium called convection. That means in convection the molecules of the medium, that means move from one place to another place, and the heat passes through them, through the molecules. Liquid and gases. In liquid and gases, that means heat transferred through the convection method. Actual movement of the hot particles, because in the liquid easily molecule can pass, and in gases always that means in gases molecules can pass, but in solid, that means conduction, that means done in the solid, but in convection, that means a liquid, it happens in only liquid and gases. Only liquid and gases transfer heat by convection method. Okay, convection current. Then we'll see the what is the convection current. Convection current, the air near the source of heat gets warm. The air near the source of heat gets warm and rises up. This leaves a gap which is filled by the cold air. That means hot air goes up, and the space, that means vacant by the warm air, is filled by the cold air from the surrounding. The convection current thus start in the air into heating air. That means convection current start if air goes up and then cold air goes down. This current is known as what? Convection current. Example, then here we'll see, easily we can see the convection current. Convection current, that means happens in ventilation in the room, because ventilation in the room, warm air being lighter rises up and leaves the room, and cold air will that means pass through the window and the doors. Land breeze and sea breeze. Land breeze and sea is also example of the convection current. That means what happens in daytime, that means land and sea breeze actually convection current. Okay, during the day what happens? Lands warm up faster than the sea. In daytime lands warm up faster than the sea. Then the air moves daytime from sea to land. That means from sea to land. Land warms up In daytime, what happens? Land warms up faster than the sea. So what happens? The air, that means, move from sea to land. But different, that means, in but after sunset, what happens? Sea is warm and land loses its hotness. Sea is warm, but land loses its hotness. Cooler air from the land start moving towards the sea. Convection current from the land to sea is known as land bridge. Okay, then after that, here we'll see the radiation method. Radiations, that means it is another method of the transferring heat. It happens when we sit front of the sun, we feel warmer. Front of the fire, we feel warmer. Front of the electric heater, we feel warmer. Why we feel warmer? Which method here, that means, applies? Here applies, that means, radiation method. So heat transfer towards us method known as what? Radiation method. Direct transfer of heat between hot bodies to cold body. It is a direct transfer of heat between hot body to cold body without direct contact is known as radiation method. Sun transfer heat by radiations. Radiation needs no medium. Radiation of heat also pass through the vacuum. Okay, radiation method, that means, used in the thermos flask, room heater, thermos flask, and in room heater radiation methods happens. Here is the room methods picture is given. Then